Thank you.
No, it's grateful words. Can I withdraw with liberty? Obliged.
My lords, before they start, I think we have a very serious objection to this.
16.
Your Lordship, I'm the
My lords, there is
petitioner.
a complete non-disclosure and
Your
separation.
Lordship, we are not inclined to press this petition.
No, we are not.
But it's a complete falsehood.
Complete falsehood.
Council is saying you hear them. We will hear them. What is it?
Now, my lords, in this petition, it is mentioned in the filing index that there is no other similar pending matter or nothing has or disposed of matter. The same advocate on record has filed an application for modification with similar prayer as is made in the first prayer. I have a copy of that application, and yet at time of filing the SLP, it is said no such thing is filed. Apart from the fact,
Petition, right?
my lords, this is 32. The matter is already decided by this.
There are three orders.
Precisely that.
The orders of this.
We will ask you to answer that question.
Sure.
Don't do that.
My lords, I am saying that.
What exactly? Just explain.
Now, my lords, this is a matter whether the d.ed people are qualified to be
Yes,
teaching.
that window
Yes.
period. they
Now
want to-
that judgment has been, that matter has been authoritatively decided by this honorable court by its Divesh. But after that particular judgment, a large number of applications came to be filed by d.ed candidates,
Yeah.
including a writ petition, including one filed by the same AOR with a very similar prayer. Same prayer. Now, those have all been dismissed by this court. And yet, my lords, the present writ is filed by an association created only a few days back without even a disclosure. I don't have a problem that you file anything, but there is a serious problem when you do not disclose the correct
You
fact.
say no,
for petition.
nothing is pending on
What
this.
you write.
I'll just clarify. Alright,
And my lords, on
a
this,
judgment is given by this honorable court.
Have you disclosed or not?
Yes, my lord.
Have you disclosed or not?
I'm coming to that.
Yes.
There is a judgment by this honorable court deciding the issue of d.el.ed versus d.ed. That judgment is rendered on 11th August. That is annexed to this petition. While this petition was filed in the first week of January, in the between, the MA for clarification of the order was listed before the bench which passed the original order, and that bench dismissed its clarification. So therefore, the
When did you
petition.
file? When did you file?
Yes.
You filed in January 2024.
Yes,
Correct.
And that
And
order.
1 minute.
Yes.
Answer our questions.
Yes.
6 January. When were those dismissed?
11th January, they got
When were
dismissed.
they dismissed?
October to December.
11th January.
October to December.
October to December 2023.
Yes. Yes.
You should have. You should have.
So that is why.
Disclose it.
But as soon as 11th January, it got dismissed.
23.
Alright, we told the
Those
client
were dismissed and writ petition filed in January 24.
it was filed prior to the dismissal. As soon as the clarification was
What was
dismissed,
filed by a writ?
alright, this writ was filed.
It
This
was
writ.
filed on 6th January 24.
Correct. On 11th January, the MA for clarification of the 11th August 2023 judgment was rejected. So therefore, because the prayer is similar, we are not pressing
No,
this.
they are asking you something more.
Yeah.
That's an intelligent way of answering.
Yes.
You are saying that those matters which got dismissed on 11th January
Yeah.
were filed on October and December 2023.
Correct,
Why
correct.
did you disclose that in your writ?
Correct.
my lords, one
What-
more
what-
aspect.
I'll clarify. So
Why
basically,
didn't you disclose that? In the writ?
let me just
Who is
check
the advocate on?
whether that is. But that was a for West Bengal.
In a question like this, you will not argue the matter.
I'm not-
advocacy there. You will have to be truthful to the court.
Yes.
Why
So
have you not
if it is not disclosed, it should have been disclosed. But the West Bengal, that was one applicant by West Bengal, and those West Bengal facts are there. He filed an application for clarification. That clarification was finally listed before the special bench.
You are
Of
still
the-
not answering. October.
It should have been disclosed.
So
If it is not disclosed, it should have been disclosed.
Not disclosed.
That is why-
That's a lapse.
That's a lapse. Otherwise, we would have pressed. If we were pressing the petition, we would have first thing would have been done. We would have handed over the order.
No, that's a lapse. Somebody must take responsibility of the lapse. Who takes responsibility of that?
But
We can't.
but we apologize. That application.
Who will take responsibility of that?
I'll take responsibility. It's my lapse. Your Lordship.
That was.
Verified or your client has not disclosed.
But if there was an order, there was no order.
Responsibility is of yours. And these kind of back matters, it's not as if people will not be aware of it.
Yes,
You
yes.
know that, I mean, everybody knows.
So, my lord, what happened in that application is, I'll just indicate it,
You want to spend more time.
because that application was lodged by the registrar as not maintainable.
We are discussing with cost.
Please,
My
sir.
lord,
We will discuss.
we don't want to press.
Not for it to be withdrawn, but however, in view of the fact that prior dismissals have not been indicated in the writ petition, we impose, we permit in view of, sorry, in view of the fact that earlier orders,
But there's only one order.
earlier order. Orders.
Three
There- There's no earlier order. My lord, the earlier filing,
Whatever.
We are
In
fighting.
view of the fact that tendency of some connected matters are not disclosed in the writ petition.
Yes.
We permit the writ petition to be withdrawn, however, we will dismiss it. We, however, with costs quantified at 25,000 rupees. Just as a token.
we apologize, your lordship, because the
Apology,
But
what
as-
happens is that apology goes internalized. You just apologize and walk out.
but we
There
have,
must be consequence.
obviously we cannot, because
We are not saying anything about that.
actually we thought that it will also go before the same bench, because we have annexed the judgment. That judgment and the list of date gives all the details. So there is no way we can hide it.
Integrity of the
But we,
proceedings must be maintained.
but that is why we are withdrawing.
That's why we are.
That is why we thought we will not.
We understand why you are withdrawing. Told you. Thank you.
Well,
Like
it's
the prayer was
sent
similar.
To the clerks association or something of the
Straight to
Supreme
the advocates, on the
Yeah.
court clerks association.
Association.
Grateful.
Grateful.
इसमें mention नहीं है.
16.1 minute.
Item
16.1.
16.1,
Yes, minute.
same.
No, it's not the same minute. The result has been published by the Bihar Public Service Commission.
Not identical, Mr. Natkar.
No, it's not identical minute.
That's other
It's a
connected matters.
different minute.
16.1.
It's not identical minute. You can see minute. I am for quashing of the result published by the
Okay,
BP.
16.1 list separate. We'll get it up. Just have a look at that 16.
Not the same one, state of Bihar one.
No, minute. It's
Same.
no, let me, it's my petition, Lord. Let me say, Lord, it's my petition, Lord. Lord, this court has invalidated the advertisement and the subsequent step taken by the state of Bihar, Lord.
16.1 and then-
Yes, Lord. In fact,
Have you looked at it?
I'm appearing in 16.
That's also a repetition.
Yes.
Yes, my Lord, it's a
Same prayer.
No, my Lord.
Why? How are the prayer?
Oh, it's a different, my Lord. Kindly see, one, two order, my Lord, kindly see. This result has been published in violation of the order of this court, my Lord. I am for the d.ed contingent.
Show us the prayer and tell us.
Yes, my Lord, I am showing the prayer, my Lord.
Mr. Natkar, have you looked at item 16 prayer and this prayer. Both of them have a look at.
No, it's a different, my Lord. Kindly see page
What is
number
the
14.
consequence of that notification only?
Kindly see
I think the prayer is
page
equal
number
to burden.
14, my Lord. Kindly see page number 14. My Lord, kindly see page number 14, my Lord. My Lord, this page is,
After the Supreme Court's order, what is the 30?
my Lord, the state has,
But they have also not disclosed.
my Lord, kindly, let me say, my Lord. Let me say, it's my case is entirely different.
To petition, we are not going to undertake. You go to the High Court or do whatever. But Article 32 petition is not, will not be entertained by us. Either that you withdraw the 32 petition and then go to the High Court, which will permit you, or it's in this. Want to withdraw?
Yes, my
Go to
Lord.
the High Court.
Yes, with the liberty to approach the High Court.
Petitioner seek to withdraw the writ petition with the permission granted to avail alternative remedies.
To approach the High Court, it may be better, no?
As it.
Go and say that the Supreme Court has.
Supreme Court has given.
Will not say.
Lord, my apologies, just one sentence, my lord. This petition of 11th January, the special bench was sitting. We mentioned this petition on 9th January. We moved a mention memo that please list it along with that MA in the special bench. In the special bench, the other side was present. Mr. Chatterjee was also, he noted down. We gave the writ petition number that this writ petition is filed. They said we will see it when it gets listed. So that's why, my lord, there was no intention to hide it. We could not have hidden it.
We are not on intention at all. We are on the extra effort to ensure that, the proceedings are.
I understand.
We have not therefore commented anything on that.
But so that is why the judgment, everything gives the details on the, it's an.
We have not said.
She may not impose
We
the
have
cost.
not, cost is not on you. Cost is on the litigant.
But that's why we have withdrawn, my lord. We told the litigant,
Withdrawn, but cost.
Lordship may waive the cost.
Disclosure.
That's our request to us.
Grateful.
Some seriousness must be there with the proceedings.
I understand.
Some extra effort must be made to ensure all this.
Lordship, it was an oversight. There was no intention to hide any fact because we had told the other bench also.
We moved the mention memo also.
All right, all right.
Grateful.
Yes, my lord, in this matter, respondent was absent from the duty for more than 8.5 years, my lord.